Geography, 10th standard, chapter number 7, human settlements. I want everyone to be on page number 46. We start with the examples of settlement patterns in India. They are giving us the figure 7.1a and they are asking us to study the settlement patterns in this figure plus 7.1b. Both the figures we need to compare. We are able to see two different colors and two different types of pictures. The geographical explanation is, in India, we can see a variety of settlement patterns. Why? Because we have a variety of climatic factors. Somewhere we have deserts, very extreme high temperatures. Somewhere it is very cold like the Himalayan regions. And somewhere it's constantly raining like the Kanchenjunga forests. It also depends on the availability of water, slope of the land and level of development. Nucleated settlements, that is very little settlements far off from each other, are found throughout the plateau region of Narmada Valley, paddy lands in Bihar, UP, Vindhyan Plateau and several other cultivated parts of India. Wherever there is cultivation, wherever there is farming, we can see nuclear type of settlements. On the other hand, dispersed settlements, not together, are found in tribal parts covering central part of India, eastern Rajasthan, southern Rajasthan, Himalayan slopes and land with dissected and uneven topography. Dissected means cut away from each other, far away from each other. Now, they are asking us to recall, to try to remember what we know about human settlements. They have given us a table with various amenities and we need to tick whether that particular facility is available in village or city area. They are again bringing us to the two new figures, 7.2a and 7.2b, and we can see images of two settlements in Brazil. This is not Indian photograph, this is Brazilian photograph. We are already on the second page, page number 47. Those who are still stuck on 46, change your page. The two images are, one is from the Amazon River basin in Brazil, while the other belongs to the coastal area. One is near the river and one is near the seashore, near the coast. If we observe the settlement patterns carefully, we have two different patterns with two different densities and types. The geographical explanation goes like this. The earlier settlements in Brazil were formed by the settlers from Europe. The Europeans who had migrated, who had relocated from Europe to Brazil, they mainly lived in the coastal areas near the seashore. Now, the settlements have developed and they are densely populated. The major reasons of development are as follows. The development has taken place. Why? Now we will come to know. Although the coastal climate is hot and humid, where we perspire a lot, and flat land is limited due to rugged topography. Rugged means uneven. Somewhere it is too high, somewhere it is too low, somewhere it is rocky. But still, the development has taken place because the region has a good supply of water and a large range of natural resources, places like Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo has extensive area under rich soil which makes it ideal for growing coffee. It also has a large supply of natural minerals close by, like iron ore, and it also has a steady energy supply. Energy is electricity. The southeastern area has a good transport system too. So the connectivity between two places is also very good. People can travel easily. This makes Sao Paulo area a nucleated settlement. where the population is concentrated. Whereas rural areas such as the northeast highlands suffer from extreme droughts. Drought is lack of rainfall, lack of water, which makes it difficult for practicing agriculture, and hence settlements are sparse here. Sparse means scanty, less, very less. Settlements become sparse as we move in towards the central part of Brazil. As we go deeper and deeper into Brazil, we get even more sparse settlements. The reasons for the sparse settlements are as follows. Area is covered by thick, dense, equatorial rainforests. Rainforests means the forests are so dense that we cannot stay inside. The climate here is unhealthy and unfit for settlement. Constant landslides are a risk to life. Constant breeding of mosquitoes or other reptiles, poisonous reptiles in marshy lands, they don't allow us to settle there. Climate being unhealthy means not suited to the human body. Extreme hot or extreme cold or extremely wet. Limitations on use and exploitation of natural resources. Either the natural resources are at the minimum, or even if they are there, we cannot extract them or use them. Poor transport links in the region. If the topography, if the ground is uneven, if it is not drivable, no transportation system, humans don't like to stay in such places, because communication and transportation are the two basic requirements for our settlements.